But if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be new to you, this thing might be new to you. But if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby.
So guys, these are the eyebrows before we start. This is how they look. So we're going to see what they look like.
That's what I like. Yeah, it's all about me and talk about me and look at my pics all day. You always say please when I got to leave and say it ain't need to stay. They focus on T, I'm all that he needs and don't ever play no game. I love when you say my name. This might be news to you, this thing might be new to you. But if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be news to you, this thing might be new to you. But if you like everything, I think you might everything. I think you might love me, baby. This might be news to you, this thing might be new to you. But if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. Bet a billion that you gon' like it, 'cause you never had a wild one like that. Don't really do one night shit, 'cause one night make them want a whole life. And you know I left my old lover in Christ, because a new girl a hella.
Guys, I'm about to play a short game, so she's just going to ask me a question and I have to guess in my mind first. Да. Я не знаю, почему я думаю на русском.
Хорошо, все правильно. Это значит, что вы хорошо учите язык. Да, я когда учила английский, я начала тоже думать на английском.
Да?
Значит, прогресс хороший.
Хорошо. Да, хороший.
Забирайте с собой.
Да. Guys, I'll tell you what I wished for. I'm so happy with how my bros have turned out. I'm sure maybe someone is seeing them and you're like, Renee, that's... Oh, let me stand here for a minute. I know they look kind of dark, but like if you're a girl who's like laminated your brows before, you know that the first day, or not even just laminating, like coloring them or something, you know the first day they're always, yeah, like on the first day they're always like dark. Yeah, then as time goes on they start to fade and look more natural, and then yeah, that's when the prettiness comes in. So like I'm just because that this way I won't be taking long to do my makeup. Like I'll just be literally putting some concealer on them babies and then like we're done. Right now I look weird. I look like I've just put a marker on my brows, guys. Like it's looking weird, but trust me, trust the process. I'll show you guys tomorrow morning again, so you see what it looks like after a day, and then even after a few days again, maybe let's say 3 days, I'll show you guys again. I don't know how many days, but yeah.
The next day.
Good morning, fam. Good morning, guys. So this is the next day after getting my eyebrows done, and I just wanted to show you how they look like the morning after getting them done. So I don't know if this is day one. Practically I think it's day one. I already scheduled my next appointment, and it's going to be after a month. And like, guys, like, I am going to get them done again. I think I love this procedure. So this is how they look. As you can see, for me personally, I think the color has like toned down. Like it's not too dark anymore. Like let me just zoom you guys in. Yeah, as you can see, guys, the color is not too dark anymore. Like that's what I researched. Like the first day is gonna be so dark, but like after that, you're good. Like you're good. So as you can see, they look a bit like bushy, as you can see. Okay, so sorry guys, I'm not looking at you because I have to look at the screen, so forgive me. Let me just show you guys something. And guys, I'm just from the shower, so don't mind. I know my face is looking like a bit of a, you know, hot mess, my edges, but like I'm literally from the shower. I'm about to start working, so yeah, I'm literally barefaced. You can see everything. We're getting close and personal. That's work. Okay, so let me try to zoom you guys in. I don't know if I should just zoom you guys in, like, let's see, can I zoom from here? No. Okay, so as you can see guys, like as you can see, the lamination makes the eyelashes so soft. The lamination makes the eyelashes so soft that all I have to do is just brush them up. So can you see that, guys? Like, this is the effect that I wanted. You can see even the line is showing there, but like I can brush it up, like just to, you know, make it look full. For me, I specifically told her I didn't want it dark, like at all. I just wanted to have a shape. If later on I want to like draw my eyebrows, I can put some more color in with my own eyebrow pen. So I ain't got no problem with that. And the best part is that I can have that done. And yeah, the best part about that is that I can have it done in the morning. I mean, the best part about having it light like this, when I don't have makeup like this, it still looks natural. Like, guys, get into this. Like, it looks so natural for me. I don't know what you guys will say, but for me, it looks natural and beautiful because it's light. And also, if I want it darker during occasions, I can just have that done as well. So your girl is loving this so far. She did give me this little spoolie as a gift, and she sent me the Vosk, which is the gel that you put. As you see yesterday, it was looking shiny. They tend to dry up, so she gave me a Vosk, which is sort of like a gel, a thick gel, that will help them not be too dry and also stay in place for the whole day. So guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure to subscribe at this point because I'm bringing you the content. Yeah, but I love this. I love how my eyebrows look, and I love that the color has come down today. It looks so natural. It looks so much better. So your girl is in love with this look. And yeah.
Several days later.
Guys, thank goodness for deliveries because your girl is tired and I need to cook. So yeah, I'll let you know what's on the menu, but let's get started. So guys, I can't show my crusty self because I haven't even yet bathed and I'm already about to make dinner. Today has been a lazy day, but one of the things we're making for dinner is these ribs. As you can see, I usually get like the long one, but I wanted to try these ones out, specifically this brand. I haven't tried it, so I'm just hoping it doesn't disappoint me, but they look good. They look like the long one that has just been cut, but we'll judge. We'll see how good they are. So I'm gonna wash that, spice it up, and then put it in the grill. So yeah, let's get started. Then what else? Oh, they match my nails. Look, it matches my nails. Yeah, so on the menu today we have ribs, some fried sausages, fried rice, beans, a salad, and mashed potatoes. That sounds a lot not saying it, but anyways, we'll see what we can cut out. No. So the first item is this bottle, guys, because okay, firstly I got all these things because I'm getting back into my fitness journey. So yeah, we need these things. Yeah, so the first thing that I got is this bottle, guys. Just look at how nice that looks. And let's open it. Let's see. So you guys, this is how it looks. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. And you know, I'm in Russia, so it's hard to find things that are in English, and I specifically got this because it's written in English. So I want to be drinking more water, and this is the recommended measurement of the amount of water you're supposed to drink in a day. So yeah, this is why I got it. I want to keep track of how much water I drink. Yeah, and yeah, so you have that. Start good morning, 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. It has the hand yo maya the influencer, you want to break something you just got. So yes, this is how it looks, guys. So beautiful. And let's see, I haven't tried opening it yet. Like inside the bottle they put some of these little things like stickers. This, I love this already. This is gonna look so cute. The lid and the straws to put into the bottle. So I love this, guys. I love this. I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10. I'm obsessed. So guys, the next item is this jump rope. So the reason why I got it is because it has all these amazing things. I just got it because it had like you see where you hold, it had like, it can count how many loops, how many times you jump. So let me see. I think you can see more on the side. And don't worry, guys, everything that I give you reviews on, I will definitely be linking them in the description box, so you can go ahead and go purchase it if you're interested in it. Okay, so it comes with the instructions, but the instructions are in Russian, guys, and there's no English, but you can translate it. And then it comes with this cute little band. Oh my goodness, this is so stinking cute. It's written Еще один прыжок, чтобы стать сильнее. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna wear it right now, like right freaking now. Oh my goodness, so cute, so stinking cute. So pretty. So this is why I got this, guys. Like, it will be counting how many jumps I make, and I want to keep a record of that because I'm going to start following a certain plan for skip rope. So it's only on one side, the other side doesn't have the screen. So I think when you hold here, it will, yeah, it will show you how many, I mean, when you hold here and here, and it will show you the information needed. So you have here onset, DN up, all those things. I'm yet to read about them, so I can't tell you guys much information. Then you've got the actual skipping rope right here, so I have to insert them in this part right here. Then, guys, the other most interesting thing were these bows. I'll show the pictures of how they'll be put, but these help you to still pretend as if you're skipping inside the house, because you all know that when you're indoors the rope will be making noise when you're jumping. So you can attach these and still skip without the noise of it like hitting the floor. So you can do it indoors when you attach these, and basically you can right there. So I'll show you more information. So this is what comes with it. And oh, they even attached a little cute screwdriver. Oh my goodness, I hope this is not too difficult to do. Yeah, I also got this. This is a measure tape. This is basically just to keep record of my body as I continue my exercise. I always exercise, but now it's just going to be more serious. That's all. Yeah, guys, look at this. It's so stinking cute. The hell? So I'm supposing I have to this is so convenient. See, it has the measurements. It's in centimeters, 150 centimeters total length. And then yeah, that's that. And when you're done, you just press it. Okay, that's so convenient. Okay guys, so that's that. For those of you looking for something measuring tape, this is so freaking cute, and it came in different colors. I love pink, so I got pink. Let's move on to the next item. Okay guys, so next on I have these wet wipes, влажные салфетки. These are not just any type of wet wipes. These are actually the type that you can use in the toilet. As you can see, these are flushable. Ladies, you need this in the toilet. It's been so hard to find this because most of them that I find require you cannot use them to flush. They'll block your system. So always find the ones that are flushable. And these are soft. They smell so good. Girl, they'll leave your coochie smelling good. They'll leave your butthole smelling good. So these are a must, guys. They have instructions there. I don't know for what, but it says don't use more than 3 at once. But anyways, guys, these are a must if you want to be clean down there, because the tissue is dry, but with this you can thoroughly wipe, then go over with a dry tissue. That's what I do. So I got this because they're very expensive in shops and very hard to find where I'm living, so I had to order them on Wildberries. Yeah, so that's it for the Wildberry reviews, guys.